everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today, you're gonna learn about the names of zodiac signs in English. Before knowing about the zodiac signs, it is essential to know about Indian astrology. In Indian astrology, there are 5 elements which include fire, earth, air, water, and ether, which means the sky. The master of fire is Mars. The master of earth is Mercury. The master of air is Saturn. The master of water is Venus. And the master of ether or the sky is Jupiter. In Western culture, there are 12 zodiac signs. Now, I'm going to give you the Latin names, English translations, and the months for all zodiac signs. Number 1. Latin name, Aries. English translation, Ram. Months, March 21 to April 19. Number 2. Latin name, Taurus. English translation, Bull. Months, April 20 to May 20. Number 3. Latin name, Gemini. English translation, Twins. Months, May 21 to June 20. Number 4. Latin name, Cancer. English translation, Crab. Months, June 21 to July 22. Number 5. Latin name, Leo. English translation, Lion. Months, July 23 to August 22. Number 6. Virgo. Latin name, Virgo. English translation, Maiden. Months, August 23 to September 22. Number 7. Latin name, Libra. English translation, Scales. Months, September 23 to October 22. Number 8. Latin name, Scorpio. English translation, Scorpion. Months, October 23 to November 21. Number 9. Sagittarius. Latin name, Sagittarius. English translation, Archer. Months, November 22 to December 21. Number 10. Latin name, Capricorn. English translation, Goat. Months, December 22 to Jan 19. Number 11. Latin name, Aquarius. English translation, Water Bearer. Months, Jan 20 to Feb 18. Number 12. Latin name, Pisces. English translation, Fish. Months, Feb 19 to March 20. Hope this video was very interesting and beneficial. See you soon with many exciting topics like this, friends. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and ShareChat. Thank you.